this. Got a replacement burr. It's the 189D, 64 mils, just the standard stock standard Mazzer burrs. So I'm just going to do a quick test on it. I'll grind about, I don't know, 15 grams of coffee. See how long it takes to grind. At the moment the double is set at 18 seconds, so I weighed out 18.1 grams of beans. These are the Mazzer espresso blend. Don't really like them actually, they're a bit sour, so maybe it's because of the grinder, because it's taking so long to grind. So this is the way I do my single dosing now. So let's have a look. So it's 18 seconds. I'm going to switch it off and reset it. So 18 seconds. Let's see how long it takes. Here are the old burrs. Look at the new ones. A little bit oily. There is no bottom and top, unlike SSP. You can't see the writing there. In terms of the patterns, they're both exactly the same. New burrs are in. First time changing them. Basically, the place where both the burrs started grinding together used to be here, and now it's here. So it's a little bit finer. Not sure why, but anyway, we'll do a test now. See how long it takes to grind. But because the settings are all off, it's not a realistic test. 18 grams, whoops, sorry, 18 grams. New plate. Let's try this. This was actually the retention from the last one. I'm not sure how much that weighs. Right, let's have a look how long this takes. So it's roughly that's a lot quicker, but I think it's too coarse. Let's try that again. So the settings are a bit finer this time. So before I had to press, so before it was about 36 seconds, that was about 20 seconds. Still not fine.